off the pious price hiking and admit that trees are trees and money's money. You folks stand to make $1 million.
You're right. Some trees are trees. Come here. Ever seen anything more beautiful?
Never.
Certainly there's enough timber around here without you destroying these.
I live by the board foot.
Doesn't all this beauty mean anything to you?
Sure. That's what it's all about, sister, since the beginning of the world. That's what makes men thresh the wheat, pick the grapes, hire a band. All the sweat of men that's poured on earth's been for beauty. The beauty of women. Yeah, that's the buggy whip that drives us, Alicia. You know what I mean?
I certainly do. You're wasting all the pretty words.
Not words. Time.
You're wasting time as well as words.
I gotta hand it to you, Widow Chadwick. You sure know how to put a man on ice.